The Noble Great Vehicle Sūtra, the Candragarbha Perfection of Wisdom. Homage to all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was residing on Vulture Peak in Rajgir, together with an immeasurable and incalculable sangha of monks and a great many bodhisattvas. Then the bodhisattva great being Candragarbha, who was in the assembly, got up from his seat and asked the Blessed One, "How, Blessed One, should bodhisattvas train in the perfection of wisdom?" The Blessed One replied, "Candragarbha, that all phenomena are devoid of entities is the perfection of wisdom. As an analogy, although the disk of the moon is without conceptualization, it encircles the four continents and dispels darkness. Similarly, although bodhisattva great beings who practice the perfection of wisdom are without conceptualization, they encircle those with the four distorted views with compassion, and naturally dispel defilements because of non-conceptualization. Blessed One, how many perfections of wisdom of bodhisattvas are there?" asked Candragarbha. "Son of a good family," replied the Blessed One, "there are two types of the bodhisattva's perfections of wisdom, contaminated and uncontaminated. Son of a good family, contaminated wisdom refers to the conceptualization of grasped objects and grasping subjects in the context of the stage of devoted conduct. Contaminated perfection of wisdom abandons that. Son of a good family, uncontaminated perfection of wisdom refers to the non-conceptual gnosis of the path of seeing. That gnosis is non-conceptual because it is devoid of all conceptualization. Son of a good family, it is the perfection of wisdom because it does not abide in any extreme of near or far shore. As for wisdom, since everything from form up to all aspect omniscience is without inherent existence, the perfection of wisdom is without signs. Since all phenomena are without arising, the perfection of wisdom is without arising. Since all phenomena are without annihilation, the perfection of wisdom is without annihilation. Since all phenomena are without coming, the perfection of wisdom is without coming. Since all phenomena are without going, the perfection of wisdom is without going. Since all phenomena are without permanence, the perfection of wisdom is without permanence. Since all phenomena are without difference, the perfection of wisdom is without difference. Since all phenomena are one, the perfection of wisdom is one. Since all phenomena are the essential nature of non-entities, the perfection of wisdom is the essential nature of non-entities. In short, since it transcends a sign, existence and nature, it is the perfection of wisdom. Therefore, there is the mantra of the perfection of wisdom. Tadyathā, prajñe, prajñe, mahāprajñe, candraprajñe, sarvaśāsakari svāhā. All phenomena arise from causes. That is the conventional truth. They are without an intrinsic nature and without thought construction. That is the domain of ultimate truth. After the Blessed One had spoken, the Bodhisattva Candragarbha, the entire assembly, and the world with its gods, humans, asuras, and gandharvas rejoiced and praised what the Blessed One had said. This concludes the Noble Great Vehicle Sūtra, the Candragarbha Perfection of Wisdom.